What's good, people? This is another review on my latest install. So I got some door lock switches for this Camaro that originally did not come with it. So here's why I did it. So I installed the Chevy myelin radio inside this Camaro, and you know, if you change out the radio in these early 5th gens, you'll lose the luxury of pressing a button to unlock your doors and lock them. So what I did to bring the feature back, so for me to actually fix it, I actually upgraded to a new configuration of the newer model 5th gens that have the door lock switches inside of the door bezels. And here's what it looks like. So it looks like an OEM configuration of having the door lock switches and the window controls inside of the bezel, and that makes it look clean like it was supposed to be there. I got my door bezels off of eBay. I actually got lucky because you got some of them that actually sell the door bezels with the whole door panel, but I found one where somebody was selling it individually. Now some of them are not in the greatest shape because you do have to cut some rivets off of the door panel to get that bezel out, which sucks. I don't even know why they did that, but that's how it is. So I installed the bezel inside of my door panel, and that actually turned out pretty well. Now don't worry guys, I actually got a step-by-step video on how to install this inside your car. So if you want to know how to do that, check me out, show me some love. Now the video was made back 3 years ago, but it's still valid. I showed a step-by-step guide on how to install this inside your car. So do me a favor guys, show me some love if the video helped y'all out. I'm out, see y'all in my next one.